Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
What's up, man? How you doing? Could you tell me real quick with the doors shut? Put all windows up for some info. Yeah, I'll get one chance. I'll try to make it work. Sorry to disturb you. All right, go ahead, man. What's your name? What's in here?
My name is Okem. This is my Kia Soul 2013. I call it a Hamster. We're from the Virgin Islands, but we live in Florida. We're representing LHP, Leadhead Production. We came from far. We came to take over. 3 stars, 2 2s, 15s. The box is 230 horts.
Okay.
Representing Concrete Audios, all 8s, 10s.
Okay.
We came here to take home the trophies, man.
Awesome. Thank you, sir. Yeah, man. Appreciate it. Good job. Thank you. That was good.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. Quick little commentary before we get to the bass demo. So I just wanted to say this is an awesome, unique system from his Kia Soul. Okem did a great job showcasing it for the show. I really enjoyed recording it as well. And just wanted to say, be sure to give him a thumbs up if you haven't already. He did a good job showcasing it, and I get to show y'all how it sounds after this. So, didn't get to really see too much detail specs about the enclosure. Didn't get much time with him to be able to tell us what it was tuned to, the box specs, or the power and all of that. But you can see he did a really good job with the design layout, as well as making it a music system speaker box on wheels. So I don't know if that makes sense or not. Also, having the 3-sub variant system makes it unique. Maybe he had a 4th sub in there where that square port is. I don't know, but if you look at the layout of it, maybe he had a sealed 415-inch subwoofer box wall and he said, hey, I want to try a port. Put the port in and it still sounded really good. And he could be able to open the doors and be able to blare out and play music at a show or wherever he wants, and really enjoys showing that to the audience in the world. So he did a great job, Okem. If you're watching, shout out to you, man, and let's go ahead and get to this bass demo.
Having you was enough. Got to find baby, it's you. We don't have to go nowhere. Not what I want. Baby, it's you. Love what you got to know. You got no matter what you do, you always give me that choose you. Baby, I want you, yeah. It don't matter that your car is fine, and your rims are spinning on the side. It don't matter where we go tonight, 'cause the fun with you will be alright. That's cool, but I'm looking for more. Need the love and my heart beats for. Don't have to spend the time. I just want your time, yeah. Baby, it's you. Not what I want. Ooh, baby, it's you. Not what you got to know. No matter what you do, yeah. It's you, baby. I want you, yeah. But I'm looking for more. Simple things is what my heart beats for. I don't ask for much. on MTV. Ice is cool, but I'm looking for more. Simple things is what my heart beats for. That's what you need. Loving you was
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.